African beggar. That's what you are. The African beggar. Dee Mwango. You're gonna strike someone's channel because they use a 2-minute clip, a 2-minute video, a 2-minute clip of your video, and they were only reacting to it. They didn't disparage you in any way. They didn't disrespect you in any way. They didn't put you down. They didn't do none of that. But here you are striking their videos. Or striking their channel, I should say. What a disappointment. I'm telling you, anyone that come across my video right now, you guys need to unsubscribe from Dee Mwango and don't support her anymore.
If you say you will not hear, you will see. That is what me, the real daughter of the soil, I'm saying. Jamaicans, I salute you people for giving Agama Lizati back to back. Back to back. Back to back. So yo guys, my camera is back and it's sweeting my belly like never before. Because I was not used to filming with my phone again, but that is by the way. Welcome back, and how are you guys enjoying entering inside the weekends? The weekends just started, and I hope you people, I hope this weekend is going to sweeten your belly. Because you are going to get it maybe water from the real daughter of the soil. Daughter of the soil. Anyway, guys, welcome back to another interesting banger. We are still in this Jamaican saga. We are not going to leave Jamaica anytime soon. Even if during small light come and say, we don't want you in Jamaica. We are going to balance in Jamaica like never before. As I will always say, Lambruski, Lambrusco. Fire them. Every time. And what? And every day. It's me, the real ginger. The real ginger on the YouTube street. And the real daughter of the soil. The one that doesn't fear. The one that says what comes out of her head. Anyway, guys, without playing, even though we are weakening, so we can be doing the banger and the ginger and the playing at the same time. We are in the Jamaican series, as I said. And what is the news that you people want to hear? I want to tell you guys that if you see Agama Lizati giving somebody strike, or if you see Agama Lizard fighting somebody, there must be something behind that thing she's fighting. Just like, oh, I want to fight this person. I want to fight this person. She will always have reason. According to my eyes, according to what I see, according to what I was taking attention to, this woman that I played yesterday, the particular one that Dee Mwango give strike on YouTube street, guys. It is now clear why she gave the woman strike. Jealousy on top of jealous bola. Are you people listening? You people say that I'm so naughty, talking like, I've been talking very, very naughty these days. So this woman, when Kino of Jamaica, Kino was in the US. And during his meet and greet, come and see this woman was pampering and jollying around Kino. Some people will say they still do. Yesterday they will say, you are echoing. You have to speak slowly so that we go understand you. Guys, if you are not an old bugger, in my carbon, you will not understand all this ginger sometimes, but just take your time, you will understand. And moreover, I told you guys that my camera the head got kaput, so I had to send it back. You understand? So I was using phone. That is why sometimes you will see, you'll be telling me, I was trying to deliver to you. Or do you want me to fold my arms and say, I'm waiting for my camera. What do you want me to chop? What do you want my children to chop? I should come and miss Whitey for like 2 weeks without making videos. You people should be fearing God. Anyway, my camera is back and you are going to be enjoying the banger now. I'm not going to be echoing or shouting because it's there. You people are understanding. So this woman met Kino of Jamaica. Let me be serious, honestly speaking, in doing what I'm about to do now. I think she's in the US, yeah. So during this meet and greet, she met Kino, make videos with Kino. And it peppers my belly. It's not sweetening my belly again. No. This one pepper my belly. How on earth? Dee Mwango knows exactly that this woman met Kino. And she knows Kino. You know, Dee Mwango has been with Kino to even have respect for Kino. And allow this woman even to contact her and say, as you use my video, I don't want. And this woman really, Anam believed her that she was like protecting Dee Mwango, because you all know that Dee Mwango and Kino, they are very close friends. Or how do I say it? Husband and wife. Should I pull it that way? I don't know. Put it the way you want to put it. So everybody knew. I think it's even Dee Mwango that brought Kino, even though Kino has been making videos for a very long time on YouTube. But knowing Kino in African community and all that is through Dee Mwango. That is the reality. And that is how they did the banger through Christmas list that joined Dee Mwango and Kino. So it surprises me because you cannot tell me that as Dee Mwango and Kino, they are very close friends and they are very good friends, or they are very good gigolo friends. You cannot tell me that she is not watching Kino's video and seeing this woman collaborating and meeting Kino in the US. At the same time, Dee Mwango giving this woman strike. Is a beautiful Jamaican woman. Yeah, she's sexy, she's beautiful. So for me, in my own capacity of thinking, you understand? As the foundress and the CEO of the Lazy Members, for me, I believe that Dee Mwango is jealous of this Jamaican woman, seeing this woman with Kino, pampering each other, and now she became so furious. And she said, since you take Kino away from me, I'm going to show you Pepe. This woman is married. Please, guys, disclaimer. I'm just trying to explain something, what is happening in Dee Mwango's medulla oblongata. You understand how the banger? So seeing this woman with Kino, Dee Mwango became so annoyed, so angry, and then giving this woman strike. As I have said, for me personally, it's not respect towards Kino, because if somebody respect you, respect Kino, is even pampering you people, you went ahead to give this particular person a strike. Why am I bringing this story again? Because you know we have done this video on the YouTube street, but we have been looking for what is the reason or what pushes Dee Mwango that loves Jamaica, according to her, the land that we all love, and then went to Jamaican positive reactors towards her to give them strike. That shows you clearly that she's giving this strike because of the attention that Kino gave that woman during that meet and greet. And in her heart and in her very small brain, you understand, in her very small brain, she was thinking like Kino is having something to do with this woman. You understand? Women and jealousy. Before we even go into the discussion and the banger, I want us to go and watch the meet and greet or whatsoever with Kino lifestyle in Jamaica, in the US, and then we come back with the ginger and the banger. The ginger and the banger. Let us see how Dee Mwango, what makes Dee Mwango very, very angry? What triggers Dee Mwango to give this woman strike? Guys, thank you so much for always coming to watch the Black Beauty TV. If you love this video, please kindly like the video. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and be part of the Real Ginger's channel. You won't get it anyway, the way you're going to get the banger and the ginger. So subscribe and be part of us. Let's go and check out this video, guys.
Well, guys, you know, this is your boy Kino speaking.
Yes.
You know, this is Kino life in Jamaica, but now I'm in
Florida. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I wanted to meet Kino for like
how many years?
Ages.
And then say nothing done before time, right?
And I think this is the perfect time.
Of course.
Oh my goodness. The
right
ending of the
time.
holiday. So I think this is my New Year gift.
Hey, so what a gift, right?
Me I tell you.
You don't have to go to the gift shop.
Excitement. It was just right here for me and I just come and get it.
Of course.
So me I tell them to big up on yourself, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.
Of course. Sure to do the thing. Like, share and subscribe.
Yeah.
Don't just watch her. Please put the thumbs up. Please subscribe. It's not gonna cost you your life.
Exactly.
You know, the support.
You don't know the
each
thing.
other. Come on, man. Empress grow.
Yeah, even though my grow still I have a lot of people.
Yeah, she grow, she have height.
But they're not doing the do.
Yeah.
So I would appreciate you guys.
Yeah.
Yes.
They do.
So big up for yourself.
Yeah, just do the do.
Alright, let's go inside.
Yeah.
So you know, it's the first time I've ever come in here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi guys.
Hello, so you can come here from
You're gonna be big one.
Yeah, of course. One of these days.
Yes, I am trying my best to be standing out there as like, you know, Kino.
She will, you know.
Nice to meet you guys. You know, this is the first I've ever been inside here and I live right over there.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Close to home, right?
Oh my gosh.
First time.
So they open like every Friday?
Yes, they open on the weekend.
Oh.
Yes.
This is Renee over here. So this is
Yeah, because I've never really... I used to work... You remember when Dutch Fat was right there?
Yeah, they moved to.
I was working there.
Yeah.
And I've never...
Here.
No?
So you go to church.
No, I don't really go... Well, I'm a Christian, but I've never really been baptized.
Yeah.
But I've never been inside here. I didn't know it was this... Yeah.
Last night something we could go on your Friday night.
So like I know say something I go on here so now I can come and hang out.
They can pop up anytime.
Yeah, me take off this because it'll get chilly. Me just...
You like how man, you like how not.
So you see, guys, nothing goes for nothing in Agama Lizati's dictionary. And in Agama Lizati's world, do me, I do you.
Funnanim faluye malitentula ndabalitentula Afunnanim faluye malitentula ndabalitentula Kole atale, ulale diminda ye. Valitentula, valitentula.
Guys, you people that have been asking yourself, and don't know after the land that we all love. Giving them bus and wanting their channels to go. Now and again, another Kenyan woman have joined. In fact, she went to all these innocent reactors. She's not looking for the baddest like us. So ask yourself, after seeing this woman with Kino lifestyle in Jamaica, you can even feel the spirit, how the woman was like, you know. So Dee Mwango, who thinks that she's the only empress, and now discover that Kino is around other empress, the real Jamaican empress, not the ones that are trying to learn the patois. You understand how the banga guys, the ones that were born, immediately they came out into this world. Already they are saying in the word, after they came out, they are crying. You know, when a baby comes out like this, when they give birth to a baby, and the baby come out, the baby start, these ones, when he came out, Pim, he said, Wagwan, Jamaica. She brother. You understand that kind of a thing? So now, she saw all this Jamaican empress. Is in Florida. I don't know if I forgot, because me, I'm not using book. Who jam Kino lifestyle. Beautiful black queens all over. With their patois, where Dee Mwango cannot enter. The thing was peppering her in her heart. And she was looking for ways to kaput. In fact, to pay back. She was looking for ways to pay these women back. Because then Kino just abandoned her somewhere and left to the US. Where was she? I beg guys, remind me when Kino was in the US. I don't know whether she was in Belize or other places, other countries. I don't know. Let us just leave it. And Kino was jiggling his life. You know, after all, she will say, after all she has done to Kino. It is jealousy. Guys, let me tell you, if you know how some women, even men, can be jealous. They can send somebody to a early, hallelujah. In fact, to meet those people that used to wear white clothes in heaven. You understand how they banga? So, is this, you know, this pain. That is why you see Dee Mwango is carrying anger all over. Because of what? Because she could not stand it. Because she's no more. You know, the first time she went to Jamaica, everybody opened hands for her. Everybody was like, Dee Mwango, Dee Mwango. Dee Mwango came to promote our country. But they didn't know. We told them about Jam Tour. You want to tell me that Dee Mwango loves you so much like that in Jamaica? And then she went, your brother from a Jamaican brother who brought Dee Mwango to Ghana, paid her ticket to Ghana, gave her way to live in Ghana. Deceived this guy that she was in love with him. It's even God that saved this guy from the hands of Agamalizati. Deceived him that she want to marry him and want to start a business with him. This is a Jamaican man. And then she squandered his money. Even the business that he started, he opened, she squandered the business and kicked this man out. After kicking this man, she went to Jamaica to tell you people, the land that we all love. And you didn't know that this person just came to your country for views, and that is all. This is somebody that don't show love to anybody in this world. This is somebody that, have you asked yourself, this is somebody that got no friends. If she visited a country and she's gone, those people are left and forgotten. These are people that just travel to countries, meet people. After meeting these people, using people, they abandon them, they dump them, and they leave. Now she left Jamaica, the land that she loved so much, the land that she was even thinking she was going to stay finally in Jamaica, because Africa was too much for her. Africa is too bad for her. Like in her village, they can buy her because of 1 tomatoes. So now she decided and said, Jamaicans, they love me so much. Look at what Jamaicans are doing to me. I am going to pack Jamaica is my second home. Now she left Jamaica. She's back in Africa after going round to other countries. You understand? She's not coming straight to Kenya from Jamaica. She's visited other islands, then Nigeria, and then back to Kenya. Now she don't want to travel again. And because she knows that she don't have anything to do with Jamaica, she has already used Jamaica and she has dumped Jamaica. The way she dumped Jamaica, that is how she dumped Jamaicans. because she doesn't have it in her travel list to visit Jamaica anytime soon. Go, guys, go Jamaicans, ask the Filipinos what happened in their country. The same thing she did in Jamaica is the same thing she did in the Philippines. In the Philippines was like a second home to her. She did, in fact, she was going back to the Philippines. She never even want to go back to Africa because for her, the love people showed her in the Philippines. She was feeling like this is her second home. Got a Filipino man, deceived him, the same thing she did with the Jam tour. But this one, in the other way around, the Filipino man is the one who I will say, should I say he scam her or they scam each other? Because in this case, she was using the guy to make money on YouTube, make millions. That is when she blew and started making a lot of money on YouTube. And then she was discovered that she scammed an elderly woman in the Philippines. After she scammed this elderly woman, she rushed back to the Philippines so that she can make things better in the Philippines for the people to still accept her. But still, the people rejected her in the Philippines and said, what you did to this elderly woman, after collecting dollars, a lot of dollars to build house for this woman. The house, as I'm talking to you guys, the woman is living in that house, but the house is not yet complete. Even the money people gave her to buy bed and all other things for the woman, she did not buy bed. Then one of her Kenyan sister, Cherono, who went there to visit this woman. After visiting this woman, she saw the woman was sleeping on the wood. And she asked the woman, Mama Lola, they gave you money back to back even to buy bed. Where is the mattress? She said, Agama Lizati was this. In fact, she was deceiving people online and she carried this duvet and put on the bed for people to believe that she put mattress for me. But she did not buy any mattress for me. I've been sleeping on this wood. On hearing that she was in Thailand with her fake boyfriend, the Filipino guy, when she saw Cherono, she rushed back to the Philippines to make things work back again for her. Visited this Lola again and tried to convince people that it wasn't like that. But the thing, in fact, the story has already been damaged and kaput because she used that money that she was giving through this GoFundMe and other things being organized by Aaron Dante of California, America. You understand? She used this money and go back to their swamp kingdom and organize kitchen for her mother, renovate the sitting room for her mother, buy couch, buy in fact furniture, new, brand new. And then now coming to be telling us, this is the village house setting, using Lola's money. After she used Filipinos back to back to enrich herself, she now got this target that Jamaica will be another point of views because her brother already has been in Jamaica before and she has watched a lot of YouTubers who went to Jamaica and make a lot of views. So immediately she entered Jamaica and started, the land that we all love. Subscribers were dropping woto. Money, woto. A lot of Jamaicans love them woto. What did she do? It's the same thing. After she used you guys, she's now dumping you guys. And what is she doing? She's turning around to give you Jamaican strike. Now she turned around. In fact, the one she did in the Philippines is not even too much than the one she's doing now in Jamaica. These two women in Jamaica taking Dee Mwango's video, trying to promote her, trying to abuse other people. Why are you people talking bad about Dee Mwango? Now, on top of it, if not, ask yourself, if not because of Kino, why will Dee Mwango give this woman strike? Somebody that was promoting you, someone that was talking good about you, you still give that person strike. Is the jealousy of the man. Because Kino was almost like cruising himself with this woman. I'm not saying that they did anything because, disclaimer, this woman, according to how I check on her YouTube channel, she is a married woman. But maybe Agama Lizati, you know, I told you people she have fish brain. The brain is very, very small. I don't know whether that contact she have with Doreen Small. You know, somebody that carry the name of Small is not only carrying the name, even the brain has turned to become like the name. Small like her own name. You know, they say, what we eat according to them is what you are. This one, the name you carry is who you are. You understand? So they are telling. So now following this Doris Small, she also have that small brain. That is why she did not even check if this woman is a married woman or this woman is just following Kino. And she forgot that as a YouTuber, even when her brother went to the US, he did this meet and greet. A lot of people, husband and wife, single people, married women that came maybe alone, came to visit or meet and greet Marwa. You don't see people like this go to do meet and greet and you begin to conclude in your mind that, oh, my boyfriend Kino, you know, my boyfriend Kino is already following this woman. And yes, I saw her in Kino's video. I'm going to strike her. And she strike this woman back to back. Some people used to argue that Dee Mwango and Kino, they are not boyfriend and girlfriend. Guys, go and check back their video if you are a grown-up person. Kino is not in love with Dee Mwango, but Dee Mwango loves it. In fact, I don't think she has ever been in love with any man the way she loves Kino. That is the truth, guys. If you see Dee Mwango look at Kino like this, you will just feel it. If you have ever been in love, you will know that love is killing Dee Mwango. In the other hand, Kino is not showing her any love. Kino is just seeing her like, you know now, some men, okay, you give me Toto and so what, let me chop it and go. No, and then on top of it, maybe he's getting his views because those days, anytime Kino meet Agama Lizard, anytime they make video together, he will get a lot of views from that video. And Kino, as I said, he got a lot of subscribers because of Agama Lizard. That is the truth. Agama Lizard, in the other hand, also got her own from Kino, but they were really getting views moving together. And if you are used or you know Agama Lizard, you will know that Agama Lizard don't want anybody to enter her business. It's the same thing she did to Cherono, as I have explained to you guys about the Filipino Saga when she was in the Philippines. After Cherono went to visit this woman, her friendship with Cherono was scattered. So Dee Mwango, I'm telling you guys, no matter how she tried to pretend or try to tell you guys that is not true, ask her very deeply why she has to do this thing to this Jamaican woman is because she saw this woman with Kino. And I have said, as I have said it, she forgetting that Kino is a YouTuber and anybody would like, if you are maybe his subscribers, if they see Kino anywhere, they want to collaborate with him. There are also small YouTubers or other YouTubers that also look for people to make videos. She cannot tell Kino what to do on his channel or isolate him from people. And for me, as I have said, it's a disgrace. It's shameful that somebody who went like this to see Kino is not against her, it's for her. And she went ahead because of the jealousy that is killing her and giving this woman this strike. And I don't know if Agama Lizard will ever in her entire life go back to Jamaica or visit Jamaica again. I'm not saying that they are going to do anything to her in Jamaica, but where is she going to hide her face? Because for me, I will be so, the shame is going to cover my face. I will be ashamed of myself that this is the land that I'm deceiving people that I love. And the people that love me from this country, they showed me love like this. And then I come on YouTube and I give them strike. And the African people that have been bangering me, I could not give them any strike. That is, by the way, with the saga of Agama Lizard. Now, let's look at what is happened with our Argentina long-nose sacrifice. Lambrosco. Let me check if I will see. Before I go into the video that I'm going to read or I'm going to play for you, or before I explain the video I'm going to tell you about Argentinian sacrifice, there's a comment someone sent me on IG. I had people, they send me plenty things so about Argentinian sacrifice. Let us read this comment as we are entering the sacrifice series. This is what the person said. You need one kitchen since your wife is selfish. She won't be comfortable letting people cook in your house except her own blood family. who will be visiting on a very rare occasions. Hence, completing other 4 kitchens will be a total waste of money. That Salvador, and guys, that is the truth. These people, this person that wrote this comment, that person have been watching them and knows the real banger. The person knows, in fact, the person has been watching the series from Swamp Kingdom to Argentina without missing any, because there is nothing wrong in this comment that this person, or lies. Salvador is very, very mean. If you are not from her own family, even her own family members, we see how she dealt with people in Yabohanzi, including even Marwa's mother. We saw even the first time that Dee Mwango came to the swamp, she sent Dee Mwango back. She don't want to see somebody close to Marwa. She don't want to see anybody in that swamp kingdom. She feels like she has made it. That swamp kingdom belongs to her. She is very, very mean and a wicked human being. And now, in return, she's facing it with Marwa because Marwa has refused to marry her and make her the madam of that house. Let us continue reading what the guy said. You can then save to buy a family car. In the meantime, you can use your safari van for family travel as needs arises, like McKinsey and George Lemery did. The only difference between McKinsey and your wife is that your wife is mean. Hey, people are not smiling with Salvador Aka's sacrifice from Argentina. People don't like Salvador, honestly speaking. Some people, a lot of people just watch her because of Marwa. But her character is very, very dangerous. Racist and unfriendly, who only smiles and laughs when she is receiving super chats and donations. Do you know, that's why I said that this person never missed the series of Argentina. Salvador always, in fact, when you see her teeth, when you see those her long teeth outside, she's receiving super slap. If there is no super slap, you're not going to see those teeth outside. They are going to be hidden. Or maybe sometimes she's in Marwa's channel because she knows that it is Marwa who is going to make that money. You will not see the teeth outside. When she's in her channel and she wants sympathy from people, black people that she hates, according to this comment also, you will see the teeth outside. Let's see what the person said. When she's collecting super chats and donation from the people that she hated, which is true, the black people that she hated, that she called parasite, that she doesn't like. They are the people she's opening the long teeth when she's receiving the super chat, the donations. That is the reality. McKinsey is truly loving and welcoming to the great people of Meru and Kenya at large. Hey, Lambrosco, Argentina sacrifice. If you like, you give 10 baby boys. You know, it is your character that is going to make people to love you, not 10, 20 baby boys. That is not how the thing go. Now, which video of Salvador I want to look into now? Salvador came yesterday and said that they are going to be eating ugali, or she's going to be making any dish or any food she's making. She's going to use this ugali powder, because when Marwa came to Argentina, Marwa bought, you know, Marwa was thinking already that he's going to die of hunger. And what did he want to do? In fact, any ugali powder she see, or ugali flour, any ugali flour he sees in Argentina, he will buy everything. Now they are preparing to go back. They will soon leave Argentina, and they are wondering what are they going to do with this ugali powder. I don't know if Marwa is going to transport it, but because for them to take it back to Kenya is going to be a very big job. And what they are going to pay for those kilos, if you don't know that country, that powder is very, very heavy. So now, guys, Marwa, they are going to be eating ugali in the morning, ugali in the afternoon, ugali in the evening, so that the ugali powder will finish. Me, I'm pitying their nyash for the shit that is going to come out of that nyash when you eat that strong ugali morning, afternoon, and evening. Before I even go into my banger, let us go and watch them and watch Salvador, and then we'll come back with the real ginger. If you have not liked the video, me, I will not be tired to tell you guys to like my video, because I'm also giving you and delivering the banger for you. So kindly like the video as we go ahead.
And today's video is gonna be all about ugali flour. Why? It turns out that when we came to Argentina, Marwa found a place where he found the ugali flour, the maize flour that he uses for the ugali, okay? And he got so excited, fearing not to find this same flour, because we don't really use it a lot. We use more wheat flour in Argentina rather than this one. And it was quite difficult to find. So he found somewhere and he bought 23 kgs of maize flour. Because he told, gave it all. I want it all. So we are soon to leave Argentina, and we still have kgs and kgs of maize flour. So today I'm gonna cook all the daily meals with maize flour. Okay, let's start we see if we can do it. What do you think?
Lambruska, 23 kg of organic shit. Organic shit from Argentina. He was thinking that he's going to die of hunger. He was thinking that he will never see that ugali. Now he bought it and he cannot finish it. So what will he do if he leave? Salvador, Mr. Luis cannot eat it. The mama cannot eat it. So if I were Marwa, just leave those your old clothes. In fact, leave the Christmas sweater there and then move to carry your ugali and put it in your luggage back to Kenya. Or put it in a freezer there in Argentina. So that next time if you come to Argentina, you are going to meet your ugali flour. How can somebody like this, a travel commando, you go to a country, you are buying 23 kg of Jesus. Marwa, you are ashamed. In fact, you are ashamed. You're shaming me 23 kgs of ugali flour like this to be walking up and down from one apartment to the other. Like you're going to die if you don't eat ugali. You cannot survive anywhere in the world. Tell me, which travel commando are you? When people say that, oh, he's the real... Do you people really know who travel commandos are? Travel commandos, they go to the places that you will never go and they will eat the food. The other day I hear Gamma Lizard saying that, oh, she used to go to places that some people cannot even go there. But she is going to those places. I just laugh. I say, look at this one. If you see travel commandos, they go to the deepest of all deepest forests. And anything, whether insect, anything they get there, they eat. And they don't go there to criticize the people. They don't carry bags of ugali. Anywhere they go, all the places you see these people, they go. If you ask them about Kenyan food, it's ugali. I ask myself, a lot of Kenyan people told me that they have other dishes in Kenya. But for them, it's only ugali, and they will go to other places and be laughing at other people's food. While they eat ugali 24 hours, and you go and be laughing at other people eating bushmeat. A lot of protein. Protein. You be laughing at people eating protein and you are busy there eating dry ugali carbohydrate and you are carrying it in the sack like, I don't know whether you are coming out of a war zone that you are carrying ugali up and down like you don't know where the spirit will lead you to go and squat in which camp to eat your ugali. That is your business, and that is, by the way, guys, I beg you people should like my video as I'm giving you the love and the banger this weekend. So
I'm finding out that Dee Mwango, the African YouTuber that always travels to Jamaica and basically, capitalize on Jamaican culture, Jamaican everything, Jamaican food, Jamaican outdoor living to boost her channel. She basically used Jamaica, right? So I'm on Joyful Julie's live and I'm finding out that she striked 2 YouTubers channel that are Jamaican that have been supporting her. It's Whitney and the Isaac family. So my thing is, what's really going on with like big YouTubers just striking small YouTubers channel? What are you gaining from this, Dee Mwango? Are you in my combo tonight? Because I just watched Whitney's video and I had no idea. I had no idea that it was Whitney and it was Whitney that Julie was talking about. But Dee Mwango, you are so wrong. I don't care if she used 10-second, 1 minute, 2 minute clip of your video. You come and tell me, how is that going to hurt your channel? How is that going to hurt your channel? How is she taking food out of your mouth? You have, I believe the last time I was on your channel, a matter of fact, I will unsubscribe from your channel. I will be unsubscribing. And I hope and pray whenever you go back to Jamaica, you are not given the same type of reception the last time you were there. I hope Jamaicans turn their back on you, because how dare you come to Jamaica and capitalize on our culture, on our food, on our outdoor living to boost your channel, only to strike, calm down Kim, only to strike Jamaican YouTubers that have been in your corner, that have been supporting you, that have been boosting your videos, commenting, and also they were moderators. This is what I don't get. Why do you guys continue to strike people, strike young YouTubers that are trying to grow their channel, try to grow their platform, when you have already well established yours? You have thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands of subscribers. But here you are, you coming for the Isaacs family and you coming for It's Whitney. What have she done that is so egregious to make you or to warrant a strike? A 2-minute clip? You telling me that you couldn't just find her channel and find her email and contacted her in her DM via email, something, TikTok, something? Because whenever YouTube make their profile, they provide their email, they provide their point of contact where you can contact them in case something happened. Why would you just off the bat just strike the channel, knowing that yes, it only lasts for 90 days for the strike, but that ruins their YouTube reputation?
Guys, Agama is rejected in Jamaica. Agama is running kitty kata. In fact, it's sweeting my belly. Jamaicans are realizing back to back that the Agama is not what they thought. Agama is a disappointment in Jamaica. That is why I said that she's never going to go to Jamaica, because her name is in the poto in Jamaica. This is what another person said. I unsubscribed from her. 13 members of my family did. I live in the UK. No play with my Jamaicans. Thank you. Hey, Agama Lizati, guys, come and see this. If you want to support this one, her name is Kim Nadi. I was even thinking it's a Nigerian. I said, look at another Nigerian. Let me check. Is it a Nigerian? When I enter, I hear back to back Jamaica Wagwan. Dee Mwango used Jamaicans back to back. So you people are realizing it now. You guys realize now that Agama Lizard just came to your country to get her views. You people were thinking that we are wicked, that Agama loves you people. Agama Lizard and her family, they don't love anybody in this world. They only love your money, or they come there. If they travel to your country, they come to use you. That is why I said that girl in Nigeria that carry Agama Lizard to do caricature with her family, in fact, she has not started paying. That is anywhere you see Agama Lizard in any country, she's there to use you people back to back. She got no love. Because if she have love for you guys, she will not give you guys strike. How is this thing going to affect her channel? She come to tell the people she's eating that, or anywhere she goes, even if she's back in Kenya, she's using Jamaican name, Jamaican food to deceive people, to get her views, to get attention. And you people believe that Agama Lizard loves you people. Forget about it. There is nothing like Agama Lizard love Jamaicans. I love this sister. In fact, let us go and watch her again. It's sweeting my belly, woto. You people have not seen the banger from Agama. By the time Agama finish with you guys, Jamaicans, you will realize back to back that what we are saying in this street about Agama Lizard, your eyes are opening. You are not having 4 o'clock eyes again. You are seeing the banger from Agama. Let's go, guys.
How dare you come and strike Jamaican YouTubers that have been supporting you? The hypocrisy with just saying that. The hypocrisy, Dee Mwango. You are a disappointment. You are a disgrace. And Jamaicans need to stop supporting you. They really do. Like, Whitney has been a supporter of mine. Like, Whitney has been coming in my... You know, there's been times where I make videos and I don't comment. I don't respond to comments. Whitney has been telling me, Kim, you got to get in the comment section and you got to respond to everybody. At least try. Whitney has been on my live videos. She has been on other videos. She has been pushing me to continue. And I'm so lost because I didn't know it was her that you striked her channel. Like, are you that greedy where you have to go and hurt someone's channel to build yours up? The hypocrisy, that is called greed, baby girl. That is called greed, and you need to stop, because want all, lose all. You need to stop and take a step back. If someone may have used your content, not to capitalize off of it, but the girl said she used it to react to it because it was so enticing, it was so good, and all she wanted to do was to react. And you striked her channel. And then it wasn't just hers, it was the Isaac's family. These people have been in your live stream, been on your videos, commenting and supporting you. So you know what? Oh, they're only good to support you. They're not good to use any of your content or react to your content. You only want them as supporters and donation because you are a beggar. All you do is beg on here. You and your whole family. All you do is beg. And I promise you, I will unsubscribe from your channel. And I hope this message is for my fellow Jamaicans who are supporting Dee Mwango. Go and unsubscribe and don't support her anymore. Because you are next. You will be next if you use a freaking 1 second or 2 second clip of hers. You are next. So you better unsubscribe from her. Do not support her. And when she does travel back to Jamaica, you guys need to turn your back on her. Don't give her no strength. Make she figure out everything for herself. Since you want to be dirty. This is dirty work. This is dirty work, Dee Mwango. How disgusting. When you on YouTube begging and asking for coins. Me tell you, you see Whitney, you attack one, you attack all of us, because we were all growing together. All of us on YouTube that started our channel. And Whitney won't come and diss you up anywhere, but I will for her.
I see the pen them, that's how they see me. I see the pen them, that's how they see. Even Jamaicans are calling Dee Mwango a beggar. She and her whole family, they are beggars. You see where your begging system, where your begging calamity has taken you to. Your begging has taken you to a junction of no return. Your begging has making people to be matching you. They are matching you in Jamaica now. Like, we are marching to Zion. Which reactor is singing this? Which reactor is singing this music on the YouTube street? We are marching to Zion. We are the beautiful Zion. I salute you, Pamela of Kenya. You the ginger my belly. She said we are marching to Zion. I said, which Zion are we marching? We are marching to Agama and Baba Marwa. Let us leave Baba Marwa and Ugali at the side. This our sister. In fact, guys, go and check her. Let me tell you her name. You know me hardly to call people. Her name now. Kim Nadi. That sister shooting my belly. She said that anytime a gamma lizard is coming to Jamaica, don't even give her any attention. Allow her to figure things on her own. But do you think that a gamma lizard will ever enter Jamaica with this bass on the YouTube street that is scattering her head now? You know, sometimes when you are too greedy and too selfish, you are a beggar. Your family, your whole family depend on people, especially Jamaicans. Jamaicans are the ones feeding their family, including their mama, their papa, building for them. Anything you see the Mwangos have, the people that have really donated for them in this world are Jamaicans. Look at Jamaican uncle, Jamaican grandpa, Jamaican whatsoever, all are Jamaicans. And Agama lizard have the audacity to strike Jamaicans. And now Jamaicans, in fact, Jamaicans, I love you guys more, but not the foolish ones like Doreen Small. Because me, I don't love people with small brain, with small name. I love the ones that knows where they belong. Stand for your people from Agama, because Agama will come and do your people like a snake. Before you know it, she's back to Kenya with all your money. Are you guys understanding the banger? So don't think that Agama Lizati loves you. You now realize that she's a beggar. You now realize that what she's doing is very, very wrong to your own Jamaican sister. That is the only thing that took Dee Mwango. Her subscribers, her 500,000 subscribers that she's looking, she want to get it with you guys. But do you know what? Her greediness, selfishness has landed her into this calamity with Jamaicans. Do we watch her again? Should we watch our sister Kiminadi? Kiminadi. God bless you, Kiminadi. You know what? In fact, God shower you with this blessing for protecting your sister. And Joyful Julie, anybody that have, in fact, reacted and match Agama lizard head from Jamaica, Oliver of Jamaica, and all of them, I salute you guys back to back. Guys, go and support them. Go and watch them. Tell them that the real daughter of the soil, that the daughter of the soil have sent you to bring good news. Agama Lizati, you are in trouble. Because she want to show us Pepe. She said, these African YouTubers, they hate us back to back. I'm going to show the African YouTubers abracadabra. And you know what abracadabra took her? Make him into Jamaica, where she said, the land that she loved. And she started giving Jamaicans back to back. She didn't know that this strike was going to put her into pepper soup. You refuse to eat pepper in Nigeria. Now your nyash is going to be nyashing pepper, like the beds of your brother Marwa in the Swami kingdom. We must watch this, our sister again. Me, I will give you guys the banger. Let's go see the real daughter of the soil. Like the video, Jare.
400 plus subscribers. 400K plus subscribers. I'm sure you surpassed that by now. But I'm going to go to your channel and I'm going to make sure, I leave you a nice message on your community wall. And I'm going to make sure I send you a message. Because you are wrong, sister. Matter of fact, you're not even a sister. And you, first of all, you're not even welcome back to Jamaica. You're not welcome to the island. We don't want you over here. We don't want you at Jamaica. So don't go back down there. Because I'm telling you, if you go back down there, you will not be greeted in a kind way. Especially when this go out. And if you do go down there, I hope and pray someone that I watch and look up to, Color Smith TV, I hope him turn him back on you. And I hope he call you out for what you've done. Because that is wrong. That is so wrong. That is wrong on every level. All Jamaicans need to take heed and remove yourself from supporting Dee Mwango. And when she comes back to Jamaica, you better turn on the back on her. Don't give her no straight, no support, nothing. Make she figure it out on her own. You're out of all of us on here trying to grow our platform in a positive way, of course. But when we see foolishness, we are going to call it out, no matter what. Point blank, period. Like, I am so hurt for...
Yeah, guys, she's this African beggar. Sister, you did not make any, in fact, you did not make any mistake. Is this African beggar? That is who they are in their family. We have been telling you people, me, I don't have anything much to tell you again. Our sister, Kim Nadi, you are finished. In fact, you finish Agama Lizard back to back. Now, all Jamaicans, that 500K you are looking for, all Jamaicans are now unsubscribing from Dee Mwango's channel. Look at how you use your hand to kaput what you have been fighting. You think you can use people all around the world and you are going to go free? You can do this nonsense to your people in your village and they will allow you to go free. People like Nastra, people like Mayukuno the horseman, people like Gitriba the Kurukuru man, Kunukunu, tortoise. You understand? The horseman, Mayukuno, Nastra, the Kino, what tortoise man, Gitriba, they are the only people, in fact, that they will worship your family and be cleaning your feet back to back. But don't carry it. In fact, that is why I told you that you see in Nigeria that you went to mess up, you will pay for it back to back. You think we were joking? You don't go to people's country and try to make this. Me, I will go to Kenya because I love Kenya. I will go to Kenya and in fact, I will never want to look down on Kenya. For what? Because of you, Agama Lizard. Never. Because of you, I should come and take my safari country and do never. You can never make me hate Kenya. You can never make me talk nonsense. I will face you and your swamp kingdom. Only you. In fact, I will not face the holy Yabuhanze. Because the holy Yabuhanze is not Agama Lizard. Agama Lizard pay for her own sin. Another people pay for their own, but for you, your party, you see how Jamaicans are dealing with you. They are not saying all Africans. No, they say you are an African beggar, which we have been saying, you and your family. Your brother is the real head, king of beggars with Christmas sweater. You are auntie of other beggars. You went to Jamaica, use these Jamaicans. Anywhere you want to go, you want to use Jamaicans to take you around. On top of it, you turn around and you start striking their channel. Jealous about you and Kino or jealous about other things, I don't know. But pay for your sin, not me, the Black Beauty TV. Guys, like my video, shower me with a blessing. You understand how the thing go? Shower me with all the blessings in this world. And God will bless you. Me, I finish. I wish you people happy weekend. Enjoy yourself. And I love you guys back to back. Bye-bye. It's me, the real daughter of the soil. Enjoy and enjoy.
Funnanim falie, malitentula, ndabalitentula. Funnanim falie, malitentula. Malitentula, te malitentula. Ula kole atale, ula le diminda ye. Malitentula, malitentula, te malitentula. Malitentula, de malitentula, yeah. Malitentula. Ndebali dentula. Yeah.